Hello everyone, I'm Terry from the Zula B. Wiley Public Library, and if you're seeing this video now, that means that you have come to our New Year's Eve program and that you picked up one of our activity bags. So I'm just going to go through a few of the items in there. I'm going to show you how to put together a little device, a painting device that will help you make some amazing fireworks art. So in the kit is a little bit of history about New Year's Eve and how it came about, as well as some additional resources that you can go to online, telling you how we why we celebrate, how we celebrate, and things like that. So you can kind of educate if they're a little bit older. If they're younger kids, you can just have a good time with it. So first thing you need to do is go through all the items in your kit. You'll see that we have a couple of activity booklets in there, in addition to the instructions. We have a color sheet that is double-sided. There's a nice little snack. There is a noise maker, a sticker, another little craft kit you can put together. And it becomes a little magnet and it says Happy New Year's. And the craft, which includes a piece of black paper, some glittery paint. It may be green, it may be copper colored, or it may be gold, and some assorted sized pipe cleaners. And I'm going to show you how to put these together real quick to make a device that you can paint fireworks on the black paper. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you are working in a covered area or outside where the kids can get messy. Because I know a lot of us don't like to mess up the house, so cover all of your important tabletops and things like that. And then just put the paint on a plate or on a piece of cardboard. I save all of my cardboard pieces so that I can use them, recycle them as putting paint on for the kids and stuff. So do that. And the next thing you want to do is take your pipe cleaners, and we're just going to make a little, something that resembles a paintbrush. Now, you may have about 6 smaller pipe cleaners, or you may have 3 larger ones. If you have the 3 larger ones, simply fold them in half like this, and they don't have to be even. If they're not even, that's even more fun because it's going to make more dramatic fireworks. Then you're just going to twist them like this, and you can go on down towards the bottom until you get about 2 inches from the bottom. Then you're just going to kind of flare them out in different directions like this, okay? And you can even, kind of bend them in or bend them up. Just play with it, let the kids play with it, let them do what they will. This does not have to be perfect, and we want them to have fun with it. Next thing is, you're just going to dip it into the paint like this. And, they're going to do what they want to do. If they just want a little bit on it to put it on the paper, they can do that like this. And it makes fireworks. Yay! For New Year. So if you're holding it down and pressing down on it, it's going to make a better impression. But they just play with it. If they want to drag it across the paper, that's fine too. We're just letting them have a good time with it. All right, so if you have the smaller pieces, basically you just do the same thing except to a lesser extent. Just kind of get them all situated, twist them on one end so that they're all together, and then twist them down to about 2.5 inches from the bottom or so. Then flare them out like that. And dip in your paint, and you just repeat. And there you have it. Fireworks for New Year's. If you weren't at the New Year's Eve party today, we will have these kits available at the library after the program. So you can come by on Thursday until closing on Thursday, the 30th at 9 p.m. And we'll probably have some after New Year's if we don't run out. So you can always swing by later when we open on January the 3rd. Thank you all for joining me today. Have a very, 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 very happy New Year 2022. Some exciting things are happening in 2022. We look forward to talking to you in the new year. Have a great day. Bye.